Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ditipriya Ghosh, and in today's video I'm going to show you some advanced features of Canva which will help you to level up your designing, and you can grow your own business too with that design. So let's get started.
Now open Canva and go to Elements tab and choose a image of your choice. I'm choosing this image. Now search heels. I'm removing the background of this image. Go to edit image and adjust the brightness, contrast and saturation a bit so that it looks aesthetic. Now go to text. Choose a font of your choice. I'm choosing this font because it looks good to me. Now go to share and download the image. Download it in PNG form. Now go to Smart Mockups and go to a wall art design. So you have to upload the picture here. Click on that image and voila, your wall art is ready. Now go to Design Spotlight and go to Shirts. Now create a t-shirt design. I'm choosing this design. So you don't have to make any changes here because it's perfect. Go to share and download it in PNG form and transparent background. Now go to home and go to Smart Mockups. Go to apparel and choose t-shirt. Upload your design. Now adjust the design a bit. Now your t-shirt design is ready. Like this you can make your own designs, own t-shirt designs, and you can sell these designs too on Etsy and Shopify and Amazon. Now I'm making another design. Go to Elements tab and go to Frames. You can see a lot of frames are there. So these ABCD, all of these things are frames. I'm choosing love. You can put any photos inside these frames. I'm searching aesthetic photos, aesthetic background. Now put this picture inside the frames. Now I'm choosing different picture for V because I think it will look good. This is my final design. Now change the background color from here. You can change your document name from here. Now go to share and download your image. Now go to Smart Mockups and go to print and choose frames. Upload your image. Adjust the image a bit. Make it smaller. Now you can see how your wall art will look. Now go to apparel. You can put this design on your t-shirt also. Adjust the image a bit. Make it smaller. I'm making another design here. I have written a plain text and changed the background color. Now go to custom art and go to uploads and upload that image. Adjust the image. Go to edit image. Now go to Trippy. So I'm making the text jittery. You can change the speed and amount as per your choice. Now go to liquify. I'm choosing this wobble. Now change the amount and size and click apply. You have to make sure that you click on apply, because otherwise it will not be applicable on your image. Now I'm making another t-shirt design. This is the last one. I have taken inspiration from one of the designs on Behance, so let's try it on my own. Add text. Choose the font of your choice. Now change the color of your text. Now go to elements and type pride and pride cap. I really like this cap. Position it to backward. Now choose a background. I'm choosing this one. Position it to backward. And your t-shirt design is ready.
Hope you guys like this video. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Happy learning.